Types of data in artificial intelligence. Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence understands information? Before AI can learn, it first needs data. But not all data is organized in the same way. Today, we'll learn about the three main types of data: structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data. Let's understand each one with simple examples. Structured data is data that is neatly organized in rows and columns. It follows a fixed format, making it easy for computers to search, sort, and analyze. For example, imagine your school's student database. Roll number, name, class, marks. Everything has a specific place. Other examples include student records, attendance sheets, bank account details, employee databases. Since the data is well organized, computers can process it very quickly. Semi-structured data is only partially organized. It doesn't fit neatly into rows and columns, but it still contains labels or tags that help computers understand it. For example, an email has sender, receiver, subject, date. But the actual message can be written in any way. Another example is a WhatsApp message where we know who sent it, when it was sent. But the message itself can contain text, emojis, images, or videos. Other examples include JSON files or XML files, emails, social media posts. This type of data is easier to organize than unstructured data, but not as simple as structured data. Unstructured data has no predefined format. It cannot be stored neatly in rows and columns because it contains information like images, videos, audio, or long documents. For example, photos, videos, voice recordings, CCTV footage, PDF files, social media videos. Think about your phone gallery. Thousands of photos are stored there, but a computer cannot understand what's inside each photo unless artificial intelligence analyzes it. In fact, almost 80% of the world's data is unstructured. This is where AI becomes very powerful by recognizing faces, understanding speech, translating languages, and identifying objects and images. Let's quickly revise. Structured data, organized in rows and columns, easy to search and analyze. Example, Excel sheets, databases, semi-structured data, partially organized with tags or labels. Example, emails, JSON, XML, WhatsApp messages. Unstructured data, no fixed format. Example, images, videos, audio, PDFs. Artificial intelligence works with all three types of data. Understanding these data types is the first step towards learning machine learning and AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artificial intelligence lessons. Thank you for watching.